Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use one batch of homemade yogurt to start and culture your next batch. There is a limit to how many times you can reculture your yogurt using this method, but it can be a really efficient way to save a little bit of money and to get you through when you've run out of starter culture. So I've got a fresh batch of homemade yogurt here. The first thing I want to do if I want to use some of this to culture the next batch is to take around half a cup of it and put it in a sterile glass container, keep it in the fridge for up to 3 weeks, and that'll be good to go. We do that as a first step before everyone starts using the yogurt to limit the risk of harmful bacteria getting in. To get started, make sure you sterilize all of your equipment. That's your yogurt making glass jar, a whisk, a thermometer, and a pot. Now pour your full cream milk into your pot. We're going to be making 1 litre today, but you can make up to 2 litres. Gently heat the milk to 82 degrees Celsius or 180 degrees Fahrenheit and give it a whisk every now and then so it doesn't stick to the bottom or burn. Hold the milk at that temperature for 10 to 20 minutes, which will help to thicken your yogurt, and then you can remove it from the heat and make sure to let it cool down to below 42 degrees Celsius or 107 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the milk is cooled down, add it to your yogurt making jar. As an optional extra step, you can whisk in 1/3 cup of dry milk powder per litre of milk, and this will also help to get a nice thick outcome. You can now add the yogurt that you saved from your previous batch and whisk it into the milk. You can do this with store-bought yogurt as well, but just make sure that you choose a plain, natural or Greek yogurt that's unflavoured, unsweetened, and free from additives or thickeners. The label should also mention that there's live and active cultures in it. Put the lid on the glass jar and then place it into your yogurt maker. Slowly pour water into the base up to the tall line indicator, and then you can place the cover lid on top and use the digital control panel to set the temperature to 38 degrees Celsius or 100 degrees Fahrenheit and the time anywhere between 12 and 24 hours. Then press confirm to begin incubation. When the time is up, you can remove the yogurt jar from the water bath and put it straight into the fridge to chill and set for 6 hours or overnight. So that's how simple and easy it is to use one batch of your homemade yogurt to start the next. There's more tips and tricks, great information on our blog, so check that out on our website and give it a go for yourself at home. Hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele Life videos to come, and if you enjoyed this video today, give it a like for us. Happy yogurt making!